Go maidin Dé Máirt, chuir cúigear chhlagan déag tús le haistear fólama a tá dírithe ach go háirithe an earnáil ghnó. Is cóibriú é an cúrsa seo idir Leitir Ceanainn agus oifig cheantar áitiúil earnáil, agus séamas ó ghalaitheoir scór an eisiú údaras na Gaeilgeachta mar cheagascóir air.
Is Michelle Grace Corbell, tá mé ag obair anseo in the local enterprise office in earnáil. We are delighted to work in partnership with Leitir Ceanainn to offer Irish classes tailored to the business community.
Tá éagsúlacht ionta sa grúpa seo, agus ahan duine acu ag fáil déis fiol sa chur a gcuid Gaeilge, agus tuiscint níos fearr a bheith acu bhaintéistí na Gaeilge don earnáil ghnó agus conas is féidir leo haon leas a bhaint as an teanga.
Is Misha Trish Hegarty, Stuart Hoare agus Unair Inish Communications Catholic Public. I've always loved the Irish language, but I've never achieved the level of fluency I'd really like. I want to use it more in my business. I want to be able to hold up my end of the conversation when I'm dealing with Irish language media. But it's also great not just to learn better Irish, but to learn business Irish and to connect with other businesses who also want to learn more. So Big Lynn.
The research has shown that businesses using Irish in their branding has proven to have a massive impact on the credibility of the business. So we would like to encourage businesses to try to use Irish in their branding and to offer a service, bilingual service to their customers. The pilot programme has got 18 businesses participating on it, and we hope that it will lead to future programmes.
Tá me sim leatsa an cúrsa seo a dhéanamh sa taithí, Jan teagháil liomsa, hoibre í chahal, náide háirta sé, náide searta cúig, haon a sé a trí. Ólas ag leonradlc.ie.